Therefore, I am a mama kwaba at Xposed. So Xposed, yes, you know Ghana and beyond. And Sunny, you better as me catch or say subscribe and share. I see Anna will pass out video. Ya, I am a person subscribing. We are now share no open society. I should be now. When you say now what you trim any America creating a better social media now go for a say Paul of B Square. Do na benim say a friend rude boy no. The wife they about to just say she's seeking for divorce. Now when she's seeking for the divorce, no, bloggers no search they say woman say the man rude boy is cheating on her with their housemaid. When they buy an uncle for on say they do an say oh ebia one of the blogging issues na the ekoso. Like agro the Dimusa Seminar Akodi court, they are going through the divorce. Now, once they are Semoba, people want to put pepper, sugar into any issues that comes around. In person, for somebody issues for beer then a shame. It's no beer and say a beer and your housemaid on another beer. Normally, no oman kasa no issues be a day a woman na no more jai. But truly. Jai no mujai wa court ni na they say the woman is still insisting and has even proved, has sent evidence to the court. They say the man has been sleeping with the housemaid. So that is the major reason why on a bear man AJ. Wow, really? So this is what celebrity gossip brought. He said Paul Okoye's wife accuses him of having an affair with their housemaid. Present evidence in court, meaning the wife still insists. So whatever we were seeing on social media, bloggers were trending all over on social media. It is true. The woman is really angry, very pissed off, not okay in their marriage, all because the man has cheated on her to the extent that sleeping with their housemaid, and the woman even have evidence. Wow, I never knew. Once a bebrena and pen bebrena, we all thought that when somebody is going into a marriage, you understand, when they will cheat, it will be like the woman will come out and be like, oh, the marriage I am in, there is no happiness, there is no joy. I think my man is not being responsible. We think that is the reason why people tries to cheat, to try and divorce in their marriages. But not it is not like that. In court, you have to prove the reason why you are divorcing your man. So recently we saw on social media that lawyers have come out and have come to tell us that, oh, we don't just wake up and divorce. No. You have to give a tangible reason why you are divorcing your partner. You just don't wake up and say, oh, my husband has been abusing me and I'm leaving out of the marriage. What is the cause? You have to prove evidence before you divorce at the law court. So yes, the woman has proven herself at the law court, and even to the extent showing evidence, giving tangible evidence why she wants to divorce the husband. Paul Okoye, the popular singer, Paul Okoye, better known as Rude Boy, has been accused by his wife, Anita, of having an affair with their housekeeper. This is where the issue goes. And one of the bloggers came out and said, which name is Gist Lover. He wrote, hello, Tue. I don't tire like this, so Anita don't carry Paul go court. Say him they sleep with their housemaid Florence. And even they invite the girl go hotel. Wahala no too much like this. Evidence of chat and more day. I am even exhausted. This married thing now, wow, I come in peace. Authentic Kasala don't bust like this. So that's just Lover brought out and trying to tell the people in the society or on the internet that, hey, so the woman has gone to the extent that she's proving evidence at the law court that the husband is what? Cheating on her with their housekeeper. To the extent he said, she also told him, for God's sake, the husband they sleep with their house help too. And the day when he cut them, now the day his husband throw him out of the house. Woo, long story short, she don't dare court like this. So not knowing there have been issues between Paul Okoye and the wife Anita. You see, to the extent this blogger is saying that if she come to find out that the husband is sleeping with the housekeeper, meaning that meaning that they have been having issues for a very long while now that people don't know. Meaning the husband go to the extent that he has thrown the woman out of their house. You understand? And he said again, he said, I know say them they use side chick message. He said, I don't know say them they use side chick messages as evidence for court. Oh yeah, all this housewife begin pile up those messages. It might be useful someday. The one way come funny me pass that down. The girl will talk say, Paul don't forget him, race watch again. So meaning, this gist lover is also trying to let us know that if you know be today, he doesn't know that you have to even prove evidence at the law court. And even the side chick messages, you have to keep them, because all this while, the woman, not just the housekeeper's chat alone, but she has been keeping Paul Okoye's messages that he has been having with other side chicks. She has been proving all those pictures down. She has been screenshotting all those messages, forwarding it to herself, to the time that now she is going to court to demand for divorce. It's Ghana. Aye great, aye fair. Not just say and let na me nimu say onipa kura wo wa. O wife do be kokota, obetumi action sorting messages kwa when o side chicks I have. Wow. Na when obi be bisa o. Inti woman divorce no divorce Paul Okoye ni na, is it only because of the housemaid? Ana say woman why tired of the relationship? That is what we want to know. Marriage here jan sanke a housekeeper ne kwa obi be bisa. It housekeeper ne kwenti na ye ja wale na. Because Bema is sabi or a celebrity or you're very popular. We all know P Square. They are very popular. They have money. Every woman will be dying for this man. Is she standing on this as a matter say housekeeper ni pet and a poor attitude on this one? I just hope say a beer. Now Bema na ye bebre because the ocean just love an issue now. What should I say? Answer a woman who crab up and who's on the housekeeper ne down. Not to say embre bi duya Bema na apamo oba no efrifie utumu se omutokwa no emu odimpa. So it is not just only say housekeeper ni pen on na da, but utumu se wa men ngwase na adoso woni nkofo da kra bia menim say big slave queens na oni o my den adeda. Now to the extent say the housekeeper the oba no say say I don't tire, I won't leave this marriage, because if you go they cheat on me on going to shows, traveling to other countries and all that, and you come to the extent that sleeping with housekeepers that me I have employed into the house. Oh, come on, that is too much. Now it goes to the extent say share images, you know, so Ubon say High Court demand actually say it said in the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory in the Abuja Judicial Division holding at Abuja. Wow. Between Anita Tonye Okoye and Paul Nonso Okoye, to the extent said this is an evidence of a proof showing that yes, it is true, the woman is demanding for divorce at the law court. It is not like somebody has come out and just trying to throw shades or throw dust into the eyes or the ears of the people. No, there is much fire going now in the house of Paul Okoye, if truly he also wants this divorce. And much enough, people will ask, how did we know that the woman has evidence or chat of Paul Okoye with the housekeeper? It says in the file of the divorce, which they have marked, if you can see on the screen, they have marked with the red. It said that I know as a fact that the respondent on 11 June 2020, threw the petitioner's sister and I out of the house after we discovered that he has started an illicit affair with one of those house helps by name Florence. So this issue started even 2020. So for these past 2 years, they have been back and forth in the house of Paul Okoye. There's no peace. Even though when he has come out separated with the brother, that he is going solo, there is still fire in the mountain in his house. Wow. There's a whole lot of issues. Now ebusian for aha and I'm a demon besi. Aha Xposed. Ejumeko song and say Emma Medi Jumedi Ebron and you will be a say need roofing. I need roofing say free and net every call December no or your promotion. Oh friend now need to do a juma on Joe workmanship. Now me catch you say oh Jumedi be a opesa obon de ru. And then I will turn Xposed friend number not ne friend. Na e bumbo de edi amount and somebody e bi e wo wi ase pa I want to say ye try ye shame to say hey wow and mema so mama ye zip ne katakakra e man na bre because uhwemu a they bia we keep saying that oh men are blood, cheating is in their DNA, but ask yourself, when you find yourself in the shoes as a woman where your woman has even met you twice cheating on her, how is she going to feel? And you being the man, when you notice that your woman has cheated on you just even once, how do you feel? It even goes to the extent that you want to even have a divorce with that woman. So please, the women also have, the ladies, they have blood inside them. Almost feeling more JP a woman. So what I say, it's a man, then kata zip money, kaka. Me a did you made a bro, me did the limo, I like him kwame, who bet me after me, African.
Mira, the we are in Sway Esifa Bay. Now a damn has sent Sunny, and then the one from me and shades the pa, the own fraud bill.
Sunny Santi, and I'm in front of it. A bram see there in VA. Let me jaw what to coin, and I'm a catcher say, Kofan needs roofing system for no matter what dying so my end. And I'll go for a quantum for my Tamaquafwa, or about dying so I share, then you.
Now, Mira, needs roofing system for summer walking. A damn pan, a dance from what, Tinchina ching, as I said, one, and some boy dance from my end. Or
Uti, when him says he can't wire thing, and I will yard the answer. I was so yadia, a bit in your chama we and unti, and I'm a share will say, Kofan needs roofing system for Nanka, Omaya Jumay. Atia, Nansu Emui, needs roofing system for when Quandia, Ometani needs the Amayan. Enti, a Kobani say, open woodwork, metal trust, rain gutter, rich cap, valley, IBR, IDT, DSR, any Piaka hold the R, any not Safre needs roofing system company. Yamau free estimation, any free transport, and our friends so, your poor down Sumawa, a chaye pa, and it just some needs roofing system company at the Abani say, what the promotion chenche pan or diapa. Say they, if free sabre, equasi say, ye betty bronya bury no, open needs roofing system company, a catch it, see and kobo down Sumawa, a candia out the bow down so pet and I'll bet Tiaka, near do a chi aqua down a swamma free, I won't tiare. As I mind casting in Patem, needs roofing system for Ababia among Krabatani Biwo, Parker so, Protua Station, store number 44, I and GRA office in Dinshanimu, a Muntre Mubiano, friend needs roofing system for Ewo 0553 817122 Anna 0557 453973.
Needs roofing system, Anna. Quality is our hallmark.